Welcome to the outskirts of the idyllic village of Hatton in the heart of Warwickshire, where history meets charm in this stunning 300-year-old grain barn. Nestled in the heart of the countryside, this unique property with around 6 acres and 6 stables offers the most perfect equestrian opportunity. To the left of me, there's an additional adjoining 1-bedroom barn conversion, perfect for multi-generational living or additional income as it's currently rented out. And for those who need to commute, you're just an 18-minute train ride from Lapworth to Birmingham, making this property the perfect balance of rural charm and urban convenience. With its exposed beams and warm, inviting atmosphere, a place where every day feels like a getaway. Step inside and be captivated by the character that fills every corner.